So dirty thinking suck out Popcaan now. Back to you. A full finger did in your body. Whose finger was in your body? Hear me say Popcaan, them hear me talk about blood clot. Junior Reid, them and them man, them hear me blood clot talk about and the suck pussy Rasta nation them. And them man, they but it look like you take it up on yourself.
She's always been good to me. Mary Jane, my only real friend. The only bee that is drama free.
Bless the love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. I speak up on yourself. Welcome to Line for TV, another man of peace. We set the balance of the streets. Life for the greatest gift, give thanks for another day. As I say, yeah, man. Big up everybody on the platform, anyone that all over the world tuning right now. As I say, silent and active viewers. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Give thanks for the support. Coming up in this vlog, yeah, boy, Popcaan, just trust Mr. Popcaan got disrespected again. I'm only thing I call upon him name again with the yamming thing and the eating thing and the batty thing and all of them things there. Another girl again, Rasta. Why? I don't know if it's true or a lie, but it's out there in the public, and you know it seems like them pull up on her and she get threatened and them things, so she come forward and she talk up be a thing from where they shall tell her story time them with all of the artists who she's been involved with, and she expose a Rasta man. And nobody never know who, but now she call the name, and the name is Junior Reid, Rasta. Another disgrace for the Rasta community. Again, if it's true or a lie, I don't know. But why? You see me? So I'm going to play that. I'm going to hear what go on. And I also want to have an artist. I want to check out the artist. I'm going to bring her up on the platform already. Her name is Sacaj. You see me? Managed by Fire Look. You see me? I say? Yes, so I'm going to watch her performance. I don't know. I can book her. You see me? Reach out to Fire Look if you want to book her. But I'm going to leave her performance for the end of the show. Bad piece of performance. 6 minutes. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And please check out my single, Now Stop Try. See? I know where the music too, you see me? But for the meantime, we just want to stay active in the world. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Big up.
So dirty thinking suck out Popcaan now. Back to you. My over for my life, I do my story time. I don't fuck with people. You hear me drop the blood clot, the story time about Junior Reid, that you get in your feelings. You hear about the Rasta man we eat my buff on the start talk about Buju Banton. I don't know Buju Banton from a peak of blood clot can. I don't know what Buju Banton would look like. But through your ears, say me I do story time. Your ears say me the pan blood clot. Live I do story time. I never talk your business. I never call your name. I never said nothing about your dirty thinking, Popcaan. I never said nothing about your dirty thinking, Popcaan. Me I talk about people. Some people I choose to call them name. Some people I didn't choose to call them name. Me drop the story about the Rasta man we eat the buff on a back road on a Portmore. Wanna take it up on a blood clot head. You are Junior Reid can't beat me. You are blood clot Junior Reid cannot blood clot beat me. I talk on who I fucking feel like to talk on. Me see a snitching season and me a snitch pan a whole of who me fuck. And that me say. So you're a little blood clot pulling up where you are pull up and I threaten whoever you want, threaten however you want, threaten and girl bad you go dash way. Who for bad you go dash way? You see how no love gets up in a blood clot problems and troubles? Nobody tell no story time about you, nobody did it. I didn't even blood clot remember about you. Hear my story time. Them never hear me say Popcaan. Them hear me talk about blood clot. Junior Reid, them and them man, them hear me blood clot talk about and the suck pussy Rasta nation them. And them man, they but it look like you take it up on yourself. So come defend it. A full finger did in your body. Whose finger was in your body? Suck out my hole, I lick out my body, all was talking strong. A full finger did in your body. Whose finger was in your body? Make we talk about it. Because we not act like we have forgetful memory because we're young, you know. We not act like we have senile memory because we were younger. No, baby. No. No, the memory work clear. Not because me a senior citizen. The memory work clear. Clear as a daylight. Clear as a blood clot night sky. It work clear. It work blood clot clear. Or you forget, me love cartel first. You forget the little settings there? You forget the little settings there? Backdoor kicker? Backdoor kicker? In pussy? Me not do street badness. None of my friend them and none of my sister them they don't do street badness. I have too much family member in the police department for do street badness. So you do the cap of what I'm saying. Keep on a comment on a section. Me and none of you never fuck. None of you never suck my pussy lick out my body nothing. Me no know nothing about you hood in the comment section. So you keep on a like a typewriting finger to the blood class. If you make a bad blood clot type and make devil fool on you see, you catch a bumbo clot black. Unless you not fuck and suck popcorn hood, you can't type. Unless you no used to fuck and suck popcorn, you can't type. Anybody else keep on a blood class self quick, you don't know what's going on.
Boy, I mean, I have nothing to say because I don't know what's going on. But viewers and subscribers who can leave on the feedback in the comment section saying my advice to Popcaan is avoid this girl. Avoid her. Yeah, man. Moving on now, check out the artist. Her name is Sacaj. Bad piece of versatile artist. Bad vocals.
She's always been good to me. Mary Jane, my only real friend. The only bee that is drama free. And girl, you make me so high. Before I met you, never knew how it felt to fly. Oh, Mary Jane, I love all your blueprints. Marijuana, yeah, the spirit drink. Cause tetrahydrocannabinoids and the chemical will make me higher than the asteroids. Sometimes you go easy with it and give me CBD whenever I feel it, yeah. I mean, how many trees you know they go where have split personalities, yeah. So let me tell you about it. The change I know they make me feel well, me. You see the one, Mary, she was designed just for me. The jackhammer, the silver OG, the gorilla glue, the Girl Scout cookies, CH3, CH2OH. Take a little time and get better with old age. Could I sweet like honey or dry like drought days? As long as you make me feel good, I'll enjoy you in both ways. And people love the sound, I go mad me. But them type of people, they were educated wrongly. Mary not gonna do you nothing long as you no lace it. And if your liquor too strong, then taste it. Oh, Mary Jane, she's my best friend. She's always been good to me. Mary Jane, my only real friend. Girl, you make me so high. Alright, Mr. DJ. So that was my single, Mary Jane, with a little twist. You can find it on all music streaming platforms, and you can find me on all social media platforms at Sacaj Music. That's SACAJ Music. I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. You know I see some beautiful queens around here tonight. And you know, sometimes in love, we tend to focus on the surface level. We tend to focus on the outside. And you know, we come out, ladies, and we look good, but there's more to us, right? There's an inner, get to know me, get to know who I am when I'm vulnerable. So that's what this one is about. Same rhythm. I want to just tell y'all the story on this rhythm, yeah. Baby, would you love me in the morning when my makeup Tell me my beauty is enthralling when it's not enhanced. When I wake, will you be there? Would you love me when I'm bare? Would you love me when I'm there? There. I can tell you're enticed by my surface, but dig a little deeper. Peel back the layers, the center is much sweeter. The further you go, the hill will get much steeper. Will you let go, or are you a keeper? Ooh, when I'm at my worst, my baby, will you run away? When I look a mess, will you still look at me the same? When I'm in distress and can no longer hide my pain, what will you choose when the most difficult option is to stay? Would you love me in the morning when my makeup's gone and I flaunt my flaws? Would you tell me my beauty is enthralling when it's not enhanced? When I'm white, will you be there? Would you love me when I'm there? Would you love me when I'm there? Love me when I'm tired and I'm just not in the mood. When I'm hungry and I catch an ugly attitude. Baby, 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 and that's what I need. So all I ask is, can you love the most difficult parts of me? And could you love me in the morning when my makeup's gone and I flaunt my flaws? Would you tell me my beauty is enthralling when it's not enhanced? When I wake, will you be there? Would you love me when I'm there? Would you love me when I'm there? Yeah. Alright, thank you. That was that one. Alright. That's my single Bears on my upcoming project. So look out for that. And this is my newest single, Rock and Coming, that you can find wherever it is that you listen to music. I want to ask Sir Bibi to just draw a little closer. Come give me a little energy, you know. Alright, I hope you all enjoy this one.